a previous video, we came up with this equation A equals 807e to the 0.024t. And if you remember, or if you've watched that video, this was about population. And so our initial population was 807, and our k we found, which is the 0.024. So what we want to do in this one is I want to find out what year will the population reach 2,000 million, or a fancy way of saying 2 billion. Now, remember, what we need to do is we're just going to need to plug in what we know with this question. Well, what we know, this right here, the 2,000 million, is A. So that means we're going to plug in 2,000 equals 807e to the 0.024t. Now we're looking for years, so that's time, that's our t. So we need to get that part of the equation all by itself. So we're going to divide both sides by 807. Remember, anything over itself is 1. So that's going to give me 2,000 over 807 equals e to the 0.024t. Now, the opposite of e is the natural log, so I'm going to take the natural log of both sides. And remember, when I take the natural log of the right-hand side, those are going to cancel one another out, which will just leave me with the natural log of 2,000 over 807 equals, I'm running out of room, 0.024t. Now I want to get the t all by itself, so I'm going to divide both sides by the 0.024. And I need to actually do that on my calculator. So make sure that your calculator is handy. And when I do the division, I am actually going to get 37.8. Now, I can't have a point for time because time is in years for this one. So that means it's going to be approximately 38 years. Now, our original starting year, if you recall, was 2000. So if we start in the year 2000, 38 years from then is 2038. So you could either be asked 38 years is the answer, or what is the actual year, 2038.